Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Executive Engineer, Telecom, Civil Division, Coimbatore for disposal of a diesel jeep on as is where is condition basis. An earnest money deposit of rupees 5,000 is required. Tender forms along with terms and conditions can be had from the executive engineer in his office on all working days between 10 am and 5 pm on payment of rupees 100 in cash or by money order up to 3 pm on 6th April 2015. Filled up tenders will be received up to 3 pm 7th April 2015 and they will be opened at 4 pm on the same day. For further details, tender forms may be referred to. Draft tender notice. 2. Tamil Nadu Industrial Explosives Limited, Anna Salai, Chennai requires security officer. The candidate should be an ex-army officer in the rank of captain, major or lieutenant colonel. Candidates with experience in security arrangements in the defense depots or factories will be preferred. The candidate should be below 50 years of age. The pay band is rupees 15,000 to rupees 39,000 with grade pay of rupees 5,000. There will be other benefits as applicable to other officers in the organization. Applications with biodata and a passport size photograph should reach the chairman and managing director within 15 days of the advertisement. Draft advertisement. 3. A tourist bus rammed into a stationary lorry on Grand Southern Trunk Road near Tambaram on Saturday morning. One of the passengers in the bus was killed on the spot. The body of the bus on its left side was torn apart, killing him on the spot. It is said that he was seated near the window. He was a resident of Crumpet. 4 others were injured and they are receiving treatment in hospital. They were among a group of 40 people returning to their homes in Chennai after visiting Sabarimalai. It is said by the police that poor visibility could have been one of the reasons for the accident. It was said by the public that parking of vehicles along the margins of Grand Southern Trunk Road without switching on the parking lights was a serious threat to road users. The driver of the bus has been arrested. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.